The latch has never been touched until she came home. Ha! She always liked to get in trouble, but this was a big one. She'd always liked to pull the latch. The latch was her thing. She'd never get in trouble because when she pulled the latch, it was faster than a blink of an eye. She was so fast you can't even tell. But one thing, the lock was the one that kept her from doing the worst. It almost made her head burst. Until Jake. A hamster on my bus? I don't think so. I'll escape, said the hamster, but really it couldn't. Nut could not do that. The lock, the lock, the lock! I can't pull the knock! Ha ha, gotcha!